Study the velocity and acceleration of a body like ring or solid cylinder rolling down an inclined plane. For rolling ring, its moment of inertia about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to its plane is I is equal to mr square, and the corresponding radius of gyration is given by k is equal to under root of I upon m equals to under root of, substitute value of this I as mr square upon m cancel out, and under root of r square is r. Thus, k is equal to r. Now, the linear velocity of a rolling ring is given by v is equal to under root of 2gh upon 1 plus k square by r square. Let us substitute value of this k as r. We get v is equal to under root of 2gh upon 1 plus value of k is r square upon r square, that is 1, equals to under root of 2gh upon 1 plus 1 2 cancel out, and equals to under root gh. Thus, the linear velocity of a rolling ring is v is equal to under root gh. Let us see the acceleration related to the rolling ring. It is given as acceleration a is equal to g sin theta upon 1 plus k square upon r square. Substitute the value of k as r. We get g sin theta upon 1 plus k square is r square upon r square, it is 1, and thus acceleration a is equal to 1/2 g sin theta. Let us take the case for rolling solid cylinder. Its moment of inertia about its own axis is I is equal to 1 by 2 mr square, and the corresponding radius of gyration k is equal to I upon m equals to under root of 1/2 mr square upon m cancel out, equals to r upon under root 2. Then the linear velocity of rolling solid cylinder when it reaches the bottom is given by v is equal to under root of 2gh upon 1 plus k square by r square equals to under root of 2gh upon 1 plus, substitute value of k as r upon under root 2. Further, k square is equal to r square upon 2. So r square upon 2 divided by r square. R square cancel out, and therefore v is equal to under root 2gh upon 1 plus 1/2 equals to under root of 2gh upon, now this addition is 3 by 2. Therefore, v is equal to under root 4gh upon 3. This gives velocity of rolling solid cylinder. Now the acceleration A is equal to g sin theta upon 1 plus k square upon r square. Therefore, A is equal to g sin theta upon 1 plus value of k square is r square upon 2. R square upon 2 divided by r square cancel out, and therefore acceleration A is equal to g sin theta upon 1 plus 1 half, that is 3 by 2, which equals to 2g sin theta upon 3. Let us consider one numerical based on rolling motion of a body. A solid sphere of mass 1 kilogram rolls on a table with linear speed 2 meters per second. Find its total kinetic energy. Solution. Given data. A solid sphere of mass 1 kilogram, that is m is equal to 1 kilogram, rolls on a table with linear speed 2 meter per second, that is v is equal to 2 meter per second. Find its total kinetic energy, that is capital E, is to be calculated. Formula which is to be used here, E is equal to 1 half m v square bracket 1 plus k square upon r square bracket complete. Therefore, E is equal to, here we have to substitute the values. 1 half into 1 into 2 bracket square, in another bracket 1 plus. Now we should note, for rolling solid sphere, k square upon r square is equal to 2 by 5. Bracket complete. Therefore, E is equal to 1 half into 2 square, that is 4, into, now this addition is 7 by 5. Therefore, E is equal to, now here 2 ones are 2, 2 are 4, and further therefore 7s 2 are 14 by 5. Therefore, E is equal to, now 14 by 5 comes out to be 2.8 joule. Thus, the total kinetic energy of rolling solid sphere is seen to be 2.8 joule.